Welcome. In front of me is SONY Xperia 7th generation, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you cannot access your device using your PIN code. Now the first thing I want you to be aware of is that you're trying to enter the PIN code that you set up for yourself, so your personal PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. So try and enter the right PIN code again, and if this doesn't work for you, then maybe some third-party application is locking your screen lock, or maybe your phone is simply lagging. And so let's try to enter the PIN code in the safe mode. To access the safe mode, hold down the power key and the volume up button at the same time, and then hold down the power option until you see a window like this. Then select OK and wait until your phone is restarted. When your phone restarts, you'll see the indicator that indicates that you are in a safe mode. And right now let's try to enter the PIN code again, and if it works for you, you have to enter the settings, go to security section, select screen lock, enter the PIN code, and then select none. Click delete, and then hold down the power key and the volume up button once again. Select restart and wait until your device is rebooted, and once it's rebooted you'll be able to access it once again. Now if this didn't work for you and you weren't able to regain access to your phone in the safe mode, then the best decision in such situation would be to try and reach out to Sony customer support service and tell them about your issue. And in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with solving your problem without removing any data from your phone. Now, if for some reason this option isn't available for you either, for example, you don't have the proof of the ownership, like check or something, then you can perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways. The first one is using the Find Hub service. So if you have a Google account connected to your device and you have Find Hub service enabled, so basically if you didn't disable it manually in settings, then you can enter this Find Hub service using any website on any device that you have. Find this Find Hub service and then log into the Find Hub website using your email that is connected to this smartphone, and then select this smartphone on the list of your devices and click factory reset. Once your phone is reset, you'll be able to set it up once again as a new device. Now if this option doesn't fit you either, then you can perform factory reset operation locally using recovery mode of your smartphone. Now if you don't know how to use the recovery mode, how to access it, how to manage it, etc., we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode on this SONY Xperia 7th generation. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all I had to say. So I hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.